What if Sony's next mirrorless isn't just an upgrade, but a revolution? The A7V, once just a forum whisper and a blurry Reddit leak, is now very real and coming in hot. Nearly 4 years after the A7 IV, Sony's gearing up for what could be its most exciting hybrid camera yet. Leaks point to a redesigned sensor, AI-powered autofocus, and cinema-grade video chops, potentially redefining the sweet spot between pro and creator. Let's break down the leaks, the hopes, and the hype to see if the A7V truly earns its V for victory. You know a rumor turns serious when Sony registers an official camera code, and that's exactly what happened in May 2025. Model WW0-84220 was spotted, confirming manufacturing underway in Wuxi, China. Translation: the A7V is more than speculation now. As for pricing, brace yourself. US buyers might see it land around $2,799 to $2,999 for the body only. And if you're elsewhere, customs, VAT, and inflation could sting even harder. Now the big question, is it worth the jump from the A7 IV? At first glance, maybe. But it all comes down to that sensor and the muscle behind it. Here's where the debate gets juicy. Two possible sensor types are being discussed in leaker circles. 1. A brand new 44-megapixel BSI CMOS beast, perfect for detailed landscapes, portraits, and high-resolution prints. The other, a 33-megapixel stacked CMOS sensor that trades megapixels for blazing fast speed and better low-light chops. Honestly, it's a toss-up. The 44-megapixel option is ideal for purists and pixel peepers, while the stacked sensor opens the door for elite autofocus, quicker readout, and 4K magic. So, what kind of shooter are you? If you shoot fast and edit faster, the 33-megapixel route might just steal your heart. Let's talk brains. The A7V is expected to be powered by Sony's Bionz XR processor, already a proven powerhouse in the A1 and FX3. But paired with an updated AI-based real-time tracking autofocus system, that's next level. Imagine this. You're shooting a rally car, a backlit dancer, or a hyperkid running in circles, and the A7V just locks in without blinking. Eye detection, animal tracking, subject recognition, all faster, smarter, and stickier. Autofocus might finally become invisible, letting you focus on your shot instead of fighting your gear. That said, AI can be quirky. Let's hope Sony's ironed out the bugs. For the video creators, this might be the upgrade. Leaks suggest 4K 16-bit RAW output, support for S-Log 3, and possibly Cinetone profiles. If that's true, YouTubers, filmmakers, and wedding shooters are going to be very happy. But it's 2025. No 6K or full-frame 4K 60? That might raise eyebrows. Still, let's not ignore the 8-stop 5-axis IBIS in-body image stabilization. That's smooth footage while handheld, walking, even running if you're feeling brave. Combine that with dual card slots, CF Express Type A and SD, and you're looking at a serious hybrid camera. The only question, will it all hold up in real-world shooting? Is the Sony A7V a no-brainer upgrade? That depends. If you're on an A7 III or an older Canon Nikon mirrorless, this could be your dream hybrid. But a 7 IV owners hoping for a giant leap might see it more as evolution than revolution. The price is up, the sensor's still a mystery, and there's no radical redesign. Yet autofocus, stabilization, and processing upgrades could be worth every cent. One thing's certain, Sony isn't playing it safe. The question is, are you in? So that's everything we know about the Sony A7V, from sensor secrets to autofocus sorcery. But now we want to hear from you. Are you eyeing this as your next upgrade or holding out for the A12? Drop your thoughts in the comments. You know the drill. If this breakdown helped, Make sure to smash that like button, subscribe for more deep dive gear content, and don't forget to ring that bell so you never miss a leak, launch, or lens drop.